Okay, my friend, come on out of the storage room one more time and grab that candy. I see it. Both hands on it. Both hands on it. Left hand on it. Both hands on it. Left hand on it. Both hands on it. Left hand on it. Good job, my friend. You see, ghosts are real, you guys. There's scientific proof. There's his head, shoulders, his hands on his left hand. Oh, what more do you want? Different angle. Yeah, good job. Touching it and looking at me like, what do you want, Shark? It's for YouTube. Both hands on it. He's merging with it. Get big and merge with it. Don't be small, get bigger. Got to be a big ghost. Big, huge, enormous.